You can add a power button directly on your iPhone's home screen, or even your lock screen. Here's how to set it up. Create the power button. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. In the search bar, type Shutdown. Select the shutdown action from the results. If you tap on Shutdown, you can actually switch it to Restart. So you get to choose, do you want a power off button or a restart button? Now tap the Share button at the bottom. Then select Add to Home Screen. Give your shortcut a custom name such as Power or Restart. Change the color. Add a custom icon or image. Even pick symbols that match your aesthetic. When everything looks perfect, tap Add in the top right corner. You now have a working power button right on your home screen. Tap it, and your iPhone will instantly follow the command. Add to lock screen. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Click on the lock screen customization option. Tap the Add Widgets area below the clock. Scroll through the available widgets and choose Shortcuts. Choose the Restart or Shutdown shortcut you created earlier. Once everything looks good, tap Done in the top right corner. Now your Restart or Shutdown button is available without even unlocking your phone. And that's it.